Would you like to learn how to make a delicious, savory turkey gravy like this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, savory turkey gravy infused with garlic, rosemary, and oranges. Hey, it's Lisa D, founder of Lisa D's Delights. And on this channel, we help beginner cooks learn how to prepare quick and simple recipes made with love. Most of our recipes are Southern cuisine with a healthy flair. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. So over the years, I learned to perfect my great-grandma, Mama Lee. I perfected her recipe for turkey gravy. I can't wait for you guys to try it. It's so yummy, so delicious. My favorite part about the gravy is that I don't use any flour in the gravy. I actually use vegetables as my thickening agent. So when I'm baking my turkey, I use veggies and herbs to infuse an amazing flavor in the bird. So I put these vegetables and herbs and stuff in the cavity of the bird, and I also use bacon on my turkey. So to make the gravy, I use the same vegetables that was inside the turkey and the bacon and the giblets from the turkey, and I put all the vegetables in a food processor, and I use that as an amazing flavor for my gravy. Girl, enough talking, let me just show you. So these are the vegetables that we're gonna later remove and use for our gravy. 1 spring like my gravy chunky, I like all these yummy vegetables, so I just take out the oranges and the herbs and stuff, and I'm done right here. That's my gravy. But everybody doesn't like it like that, so I'm going to show you how to make the gravy without using flour. We're going to use the vegetables to thicken up the gravy. But if you don't have that type of time, because we're going to put the vegetables in a food processor, if you don't have that type of time, then what you can do is get you a strainer and pour the veggies in the strainer. Ooh, I'm making a mess, girl. And then take the back of a ladle, a big spoon, and press down and squeeze out all the yumminess out of the veggies into a pot. And you're gonna have to, depending on how big your strainer is and how much gravy you have, you're gonna have to do this a couple of times to squeeze out all the goodness out of the veggies. Once you squeezed all the goodness out of the veggies, you can, depending on how much gravy you need and how you like it, you can make it thicker and make more by adding some, because this could be your base right here. You could add some chicken broth to this, as well as some flour. Make a little slurry with the flour mixed with the water and pour it in this base, and there you'll have a thicker gravy. But I'm going to show you how I make it, how I like to do it without using flour, and we don't want to let these yummy vegetables go to waste. So go ahead and remove the herbs from the veggies and also the oranges and the pimento seeds, and put all the veggies in a food processor. I have a bigger one. I should have stopped being lazy and used my bigger one instead of this tiny one, because I had to do this a few times. But also add some chicken broth to this and let her rip. Once you've gotten the veggies as thin as you like, add the veggies back to the gravy pot. I forgot to say earlier, when we were blending our veggies, the gravy was sitting on the stove without any heat. I added a rosemary spring to it so that it could infuse the gravy. So anyway, now add the veggies back into the gravy, and we're gonna mix it all up, and then we're gonna turn the heat on low and let it simmer for a little while as it rests and gets nice and thick. To me, this is so much better than using flour. It's more flavorful. You have all your veggies in there, all the herbs, and you don't have to add any flour. So we just cook this for a little while. This was fine for me. Like I said, it depends on how you like your consistency. But after I stirred this up and let it simmer for a bit, the consistency was perfect for me. But if you wanted yours to be thinner, all you would have to do would be add some chicken broth to it. This gravy is so delicious. I mean, the combination of the smokiness from the bacon mixed with the yummy herbs, and then the oranges give it this delightful citrus zing. Oh my God, it is so yummy. I hope you try it, and you can thank me later.